Hello there, human friend. Welcome to my little sanctuary. Today, I'm going to help you relax and cleanse your mind, body, and soul. Just sit back and let my soothing voice guide you to tranquility. Let's start with a gentle cleansing mist to freshen your skin. I have prepared a special blend just for you. Can't you feel the cool mist on your skin? Washing away all your stress and all your impurities. Breathe deeply. Let the calming aroma envelop you. That's good. Now, I'll use my special slime tendrils to gently massage your temples and forehead, releasing any tension. The tension is melting away as my tendrils move in slow, circular motions. Feel the stress dissolving, being replaced by a sense of calm and peace. Let's move down to your shoulders now. I'll wrap my tendrils around them and give you a soothing, gentle squeeze. There we go. Feel the gentle pressure, releasing all your knots and stress. Let yourself sink deeper into relaxation. Now I will cleanse your hands with a special slime-infused balm. It's nourishing, and it'll make your skin feel soft and rejuvenated. Can you feel the cool balm spreading over your hands, seeping into your skin, moisturizing and revitalizing it? That's right, just relax. Relax and let the balm do its magic. Let's take a moment to focus on your breathing. Inhale deeply through your nose. And exhale slowly through your mouth. Now I'm going to work on your arms. My tendrils will gently wrap around them to provide a soothing massage, to release any tension you might be holding there. Can you feel the gentle pressure like a warm, comforting hug? Let the tension melt away, leaving only peace and relaxation behind. Just breathe and relax. Your arms are feeling much better now. Let's move on to your back. I'll use my tendrils to give you a soothing back massage. Can you feel the knots and stress dissolve under the gentle pressure of my tendrils? Each movement is designed to relax and rejuvenate you. You're doing such a good job. Such a good job relaxing. I hope you're enjoying my squishy body. Now, I'll place a warm, soothing slime pack on your back. It'll help further relax your muscles and provide deep comfort. Feel the warmth spreading through your back, soothing every muscle. Just relax and let it work its magic. And while the slime pack works its wonders, I'll move on to your legs, gently wrapping my tendrils around them, giving you a calming massage. Feel the soothing pressure, releasing any tension from your legs. Let yourself sink even deeper into relaxation. Now, let's give your feet some special attention. I'll use a nourishing slime scrub to cleanse and rejuvenate them. Feel the cool, refreshing scrub as it cleanses and revitalizes your feet. Each gentle movement is designed to bring you comfort and relaxation. Your feet feel wonderful now, tingling. Let me slowly move up your body from your feet to your ankles, back up your legs, and your stomach, and your chest, and down your shoulders and arms. Just feel me all over your body. I'm going to apply a gentle slime-based mask for your face. It'll cleanse and refresh your skin. feel the cool, soothing mask on your face. It's drawing out impurities, and it's nourishing your skin deeply. And while the mask is sinking into your skin, let's take another moment to breathe together, inhaling deeply through your nose and exhaling slowly through your mouth. That's it. Just breathe in relaxation and breathe out any remaining stress. With every breath, you get closer to complete relaxation. Now I'll gently remove the mask, revealing your fresh and rejuvenated skin. Your skin looks so radiant, and it feels so soft. Well, we've reached the end of our session today. Thank you for allowing me to help you relax and cleanse. Remember, you can always return to my sanctuary whenever you need tranquility and care. Until next time, dear human friend, may you find peace and serenity wherever you go.